Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter number 3, exercise 3.3, fourth part of third question. Here, same statement sum is there. We have to find out the informations, then we have to convert into the mathematical form. After that, and find the variables, then take the variables x and y, then solve as usual by substitution method. Before going to the question, I am giving one example. Okay, so see this. So suppose some of you have gone to Calcutta to visit. So you stayed there. After that, you wanted to visit the places. First day, what you said, let me go to the Dakshineshwar temple. This is Dakshineshwar temple. This is Victoria Memorial Hall. Okay. So what you went, how you will go? You will go by taxi. So you will go to the taxi stand and you will ask this taxi fellow. This is red color. This is not. This is what? Car. But in Calcutta, you will find all are painted with yellow. Okay, so if you go to the taxi and if you ask the taxi fellow, I want to visit Dakshineshwar temple, then he says, okay, you sit down. So what he says, how much you will charge? We generally ask the same thing to the driver. So the driver says that no, it will go, my car will go with the meter, means okay, whatever the meter shows, that much you have to pay. Then you agree. If you sit, then you go into the car and you sit there. Then he says, from first few kilometers, what is 50 rupees. So he will turn the meter on. First it goes the 00, then as soon as the car starts, then it will show 50 rupees. Then you will ask, what is this 50 rupees? He will say, this is a fixed charge, because up to certain distance I will take 50 rupees. That means let us think it from place A to from place B, how much? 50 rupees. That is some kilometer, some distance, 5 kilometer, or 10 kilometer, or 2 or 3, we don't know. Some certain distance they will charge what? Fixed price. This is 50. Wherever you go, certain distance will be 50. That means if the distance is 5 kilometer, up to 5 kilometer, everybody will charge 50 rupees. Suppose you are sitting here and your car started at place A, then if you go to the B, then he will charge how much? 50 rupees. And if you want to get down at C, then also you have to pay 50 rupees. Suppose you C note D, you wanted to get down at D, then also he will charge 50 rupees only. Up to B, place B, up to this kilometer, this is let us say 10 kilometer. 2 kilometers if you travel, 50 rupees. If you travel 4 kilometer, 50 rupees. So up to this B, he will charge how much? 50. After that, what? Every kilometer, 1 kilometer he will charge how much? 3 rupees. From here 1 kilometer, suppose you travel 3 rupees, then 50 plus 3 is, let us say 5 rupees. It will be easy to calculate. So 5 rupees. So from here to here 1 kilometer, suppose you travel 50 plus 5, 55. Suppose you traveled here, you wanted to get down, that is 2 kilometer. So he will charge how much? This is 10 plus 50, 60. Then if you want to travel 3 kilometer, if you want to get down here, he will say 3 kilometer, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 50, 65. So along this fixed charge, this will be added. So like that you travel, suppose you came over here. So the distance from B to this temple, distance from B to temple, let us say 15 kilometers. Okay, 15 kilometers. Then how much he will? So what is his fixed charge? In this case, first case, fixed charge equals to fixed charges. Wherever he fixed charges how much? Rupees 50. After that, for 1 kilometer charges equals to how much? 5 rupees. Then how many kilometers from here to B to Temple how much? 15 kilometer. 15 kilometer. Then how much? 5 into 15. Isn't it? That is 75 rupees. Total, when you get down here, how much you will pay? Total equals to fixed charges plus this 75. That equals to 125 rupees you will pay. 125. Similarly, suppose second day if you want to visit Victoria Memorial Hall, then from A to B is there 50 rupees charges. Hai. So 50 rupees he will charge. From here to B to Victoria Memorial Hall, he will charge how much? What is the distance from here to here? Let us say 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. So from here to here is what? 10 kilometers. This is from here to here 10 kilometer, right? So how much from here to here is 50. 1 kilo fixed charge is how much? Let me do with another. Fixed charges how much? Rupees 50. Fixed charge will be 50 rupees only. So from B to Victoria Memorial how much? 10 kilometer. For charging 1 kilometer equals to how much? 5 rupees. Then for 10 kilometer he will charge 10 into 5, that is 50. So total how much he will pay? Total charges is equals to 50 plus 50, that equals to 100. Got it? You got it? 100. So how? Now you know the fixed price is how much? 50, and per kilometer 5 we know. Suppose we don't know. He said that we don't know. First from here to visit, how much he is charging? 125 along with fixed charge plus distance is how much? 15 kilometer distance. How much he is charging? 125. Again second case, first case this is, second case he is charging same fixed charge plus distance to travel 10 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस के लिए कितना ले रहे? 100 रुपीज़. तो हमको ये फिक्स चार्ज निकालो और पर किलोमीटर हाउ मच वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट. लेट fixed charges equals to x and 1 kilometer charges equals to y rupees. Okay, then for 15 kilometer he will charge how much? 15y. Total will be how much? These two total charges equals to x plus 15y equals to how much? 125. Similarly in this case, what is x plus 10y, that equals how much charges? 100. This is second case. So from these two we can find the, this is first equation, this is our second. From these two things you can do by substitution method. Okay, you can find it out. So let's start the question. Okay, now see this question. This is our NCERT question. So what is saying? The taxi charges in a city, the taxi charges, what is saying? A fixed charge. What is that? This is a fixed charge. Together with the charges for the distance covered. According to the distance covered, he will charge. If same case, in first case Birla Mandir 15 kilometers, in second case 10 kilometers, the charges are different, but fixed charge remains same. Similarly here, first it depends upon the distance you travel. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid how much? 105 rupees. This is our how much fixed charge. For a distance of 10 kilometer, how much? 105. This is our first information. What is second information? For a journey of 15 kilometer, the charges is 155. This is our second information. So he is saying that what are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? Fixed charge, what is fixed charge and what is charge for per kilometer? These are our variables x and y we can take. Okay, let's start. So what let the fixed charges equals to rupees X and the charges per kilometer and charges per kilometer मतलब 1 kilometer equals to rupees Y. So according to the question, what is travel? In first case, the fixed charge together with the charges distance covered for a distance of 10 kilometer. So charges for 10 kilometer. First we should find out charges for 10 kilometer. Charges, this is R. Okay, charges for 10 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is how much? Y rupees. 10 into Y into 10. That equals to 10Y. So what is first case? And charges for 15 kilometer. यही निकाल देंगे 15 kilometer. Second case he is saying 15 kilometer. That is Y into 15. That is 15Y. First case. Okay. According to the question, what? X plus how much he traveled? 10Y. 10Y. How much he paid? Here is what? 105 rupees. So 105. This is our first equation. And second equation is what? X plus how much he traveled? 15 kilometer. X plus 15Y. है ना? So 15Y equals to how much? 155. 155. This is our second equation. Okay, let's solve these two equations. So X plus 10Y equals to 105. X plus 15Y equals to 100 and how much it is? 155. 155. Yes, 155. Now let's take the first equation. Okay, taking equation first. So x plus 10y equals to 105. तो x को y टर्म में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. x इक्वल्स टू ये 105 को 105 रख देंगे. ये 10y को इस तरफ को ले आएंगे. किस तरफ को? इस तरफ को ले आएंगे. तो दैट 105 ये इधर को आएगा तो माइनस 10y हो गया. ठीक है. x is in terms of y. So this is our third equation. Right. Now this third equation we shall, थर्ड इक्वेशन में क्या आया? x का वैल्यू आया. ये x का वैल्यू क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड इक्वेशन में डाल देंगे. सब्स्टिट्यूट x in इक्वेशन 3. राइट. इक्वेशन 3 क्या है? x सब्स्टिट्यूट इन इक्वेशन 2. सॉरी, इन इक्वेशन 2 है ना. ये यहाँ डालें. इक्वेशन 2 है वो. सो इक्वेशन 2 क्या है? x प्लस 15y इक्वल्स टू 155. राइट. नाउ x प्लस 15y इक्वल्स टू 155. x का वैल्यू क्या आया है? 105 माइनस 10y डाल दिए. ये हो गया हमारा x का वैल्यू. फिर बाद में यहाँ क्या है? प्लस है. प्लस को प्लस डाल दिए. फिर ये 15y को यहाँ डाल दिए. इक्वल्स टू 155. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व. 105 माइनस 10y प्लस 15y इक्वल्स टू 155. हाँ. सो नाउ minus 10y and 15y like terms. So 15 minus 10 is 5y. 5y equals, this is positive is big, therefore positive sign has come. 5y equals to 155 minus 105. Now 5y equals to 5 minus 5 is 0 and this is 50. So y equals to 50 upon 5. तो इसको काटने से क्या आया? 10 आया. y का वैल्यू क्या आया? 10. मतलब पर किलोमीटर 10 रुपीज़ वो चार्ज करेगा. ठीक है, अब फिक्स प्राइस लाना है, एक्स लाना है, तो हमको वाई निकल गया, थर्ड इक्वेशन में डाल देंगे. व्हाट इज आवर थर्ड इक्वेशन? एक्स इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10y. एक्स इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10y. सब्स्टिट्यूट y in equation 3. This is our third equation. So let's put y equals to how much has come? 10 has come, है ना. y 10 आया था, तो इसको हम इसमें डाल देंगे थर्ड इक्वेशन. x इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10y. दैट इक्वल्स टू x इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10 इंटू 10, है ना. ये y का वैल्यू क्या है? 10 है, ये 10 है ना, ये 10 है, डाल दिया. तो x इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10, 10 सर 100, तो x इक्वल्स टू 5. गॉट इट? सो नाउ दिस इज व्हाट? x is what? x is what? Fixed price. Fixed price equals to 5. Y is what? Charges per kilometer. Charges per kilometer equals to rupees 10. This is rupees, right? So now he is saying that this is not only this answer, and he is saying what is the fixed price? We got the fixed price. What is the charges per kilometer? We got it. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? The person traveled how much? Distance traveled for 25 kilometers. How much he has to pay करके कहा. तो हमारा पर डिस्टेंस फिक्स प्राइस प्लस डिस्टेंस ट्रेवलिंग, isn't it? So what is our fixed price? x plus 25 into y, है ना. वो पूछा x हमारा कितना है? 5 plus 25 into y is 10 rupees. So that implies 5 plus 250. इसको ढंग से लिख लेंगे. 250, that equals to 255 rupees. तो यहाँ लास्ट को आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? हाउ मच ए पर्सन हैव्स टू पे. द पर्सन हैज़ टू पे how much? 255 rupees. 255, है ना. he has to pay 255 for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. This is the answer. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. ये हो गया फिक्स चार्ज हो गया, ये हो गया पर किलोमीटर y रुपीस है. ये कितने किलोमीटर गया? 25 किलोमीटर. 1 किलोमीटर, ये हमारा इक्वेशन था 25y, 5 रख दिए, 25 y का वैल्यू क्या आया था हमारा? 10 आया था, 10 डाल दिए. सो फिक्स प्राइस क्या है हमारा? यहाँ लिख सकते हो. फिक्स प्राइस इक्वल्स टू ₹5 एंड 1 किलोमीटर चार्जेस इक्वल्स टू ₹10. ये भी लिख सकते, ऐसे भी लिख के छोड़ दो. ठीक है, दिस इज़ आवर फाइनल आंसर. ओके, समझ में आ गया? आई होप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच बाय वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. बाय बाय.